Hello Moncescans, mga anak! Happy first anniversary to us! Yes, it's February and this is the month that I started my YouTube journey last year. So let's take a look at the highlights of what we did last year.
Action!
Hello, this is Mama Mo and welcome to Kusina with Moncesca.
This started out as my way of recording recipes for my children and to leave them a living legacy. This wasn't an easy journey for me. I had to learn many skills and I'm not that techy. Soon I was enjoying putting my videos together. I've learned many things in the world of baking and cooking, and I'm happy that I had the chance to share it with all of you. I discovered you shared my joy of nature and the outdoors. And do you remember that you voted the garden theme for my birthday cake decoration? We didn't just cook, we also tried unboxing.
Let's unbox the BTS nuggets.
Hurray! During the summer, we experimented with having a guest cook. You got to meet the other half of Kusina ni Moncesca. And of course, we had outdoor activities that challenged me to try and make video series. Remember the strawberry series and our garden series? These were fun to make, but I had to push myself to improve my recording and editing skills. As my plants slowly grew, so did a number of people subscribing to my channel. And I got to share what Canada looks like. And I was also able to share my Filipino heritage. Did you enjoy coming on a road trip to Manitoulin? I certainly enjoyed sharing that moment with all of you. And just like that, fall and winter came that brought prizes and surprises, and of course a time to give thanks. You'll have a lot to learn in this YouTube journey, but I'm in here for the long haul, and I hope you'll join me as we learn and grow together. Again, a big shout out to all of you. Thanks so much for joining me and believing that I can do this.
Welcome to my Christmas series.
Maybe you'll be inspired to try your own journey. With dedication and passion, why not? It's always heartwarming to see and read all your comments, so please keep them coming. Do you have any suggestions on what I should try next? Please let me know. Expect to see more creative adventures, so subscribe now. Cheers to more growth on our channel. Thank you.